Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial I will provide you with detailed guidelines that will help you to remove the ransomware called Sunjun. Sunjun is a special ransomware. My video will help you to understand the negative impact of this ransomware. Once again, I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other documents can be opened easily without any troubles at all. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Sunjun ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device, and then users realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts these files and damages them considerably. Very soon after restarting their computers, users realize that they cannot open their files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this Sunjun extension to them. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. We recommend that you immediately remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program called Combo Cleaner. By the way, to download Combo Cleaner, you will most likely need to use Internet Explorer browsers, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program through this official website, combocleaner.com, install it, and then start investigating the system. Click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you click on Start Scan, most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database. After the update, the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from any further possible ransomware attacks. Once again, keep in mind that anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps in removing the ransomware and in terms of protecting the data in the future. So wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. We recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.